In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to disable those annoying startup ads on Steam, so you can jump straight into your gaming library without any interruptions. We have all been there. You launch Steam, ready to play a quick match or finish a campaign, and suddenly you are hit with a pop-up window showcasing new releases, weekend deals, or special promotions. While some users might find this helpful, for most of us it is just an extra click that slows down our gaming experience. This method is completely free and uses the built-in settings within the Steam client itself, meaning you do not need to download any sketchy third-party software or edit complicated registry files. If this video helps you reclaim your startup speed, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more tech guides just like this one. Alright, let's get started with the process. First, make sure you have the Steam client open on your computer. Once you are on the main interface, navigate your mouse to the very top left corner of the window. You will see the word Steam in plain text. Click on it to open the primary drop-down menu. From the list of options that appears, go ahead and click on Settings. This will open up a new window with a sidebar full of different categories for personalizing your experience. On the left-hand navigation pane, you want to look for the section labeled Interface and click on it. The Interface menu contains various settings related to how Steam looks and behaves when you use it. Now, scroll down through the list of checkboxes until you find the specific option that says Notify me about additions or changes to my games, new releases, and upcoming releases. By default, Steam keeps this enabled so they can market new content to you every time the application starts up. To disable the startup ads, simply uncheck that box. This tells the software that you no longer want to see those promotional pop-up windows when you launch the client. Once you have unchecked the box, you are almost done, but we need to make sure the changes actually stick. Go ahead and click the OK button at the bottom to save your preferences. For the changes to fully take effect and ensure that the ad window never pops up again, you should complete a full restart of the application. Go back to the Steam menu in the top left, click Exit, and then relaunch Steam from your desktop or taskbar. When Steam boots back up this time, you should notice a much cleaner experience with absolutely no promotional pop-ups getting in your way. You are now free to head straight to your library and start gaming immediately. It is a small change, but it makes a massive difference in the usability of the platform over time. If you found this tutorial helpful for your gaming setup, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more 2026 gaming tips and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.